Have you ever wondered what happens when lightning strikes an airplane? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to dive into some electrifying knowledge. When that bolt of lightning hits the plane, it enters through the metal shell and is conducted along the outer surface. The plane's highly conductive aluminum skin works like a superhero's armor, known as a Faraday cage. This incredible feature spreads the electricity across the plane's surface, preventing it from causing harm to the passengers and the aircraft itself. It might encounter tiny cracks in the skin and sparks, but there's no need to worry. The sparks may look intense, but they're just a temporary spectacle. So there's no lasting damage to worry about if the plane is well maintained. Subscribe.